Hi guys, welcome back to November 2023 AHL paper 1, and we are doing question number 11 part B today. So part B में 4 marks है, and we have to show that using the second derivative we have to uh, prove that there are two local maxima points and one local minima. तो ये जेई में बहुत easy type of question है, or IB में it is like a standard type of question, but in JEE you'll see this a lot. So for the JEE students who are watching this video, uh, please pay attention to this because it's very important. So let's go through it. And for the IB students, this is also very important. So yeah, let's go through it. B part. So okay, the second derivative of what we had before, which was e cos 2x into minus 2 sine 2x. So we can rewrite this as minus 2e cos 2x to make this a little bit easier, huh? Because now we have to apply the what we call product rule, which is this: u into v is equal to u dash v plus v dash u. A dash, the meaning is that it's the derivative, you know. So we can then apply this formula. So first we'll consider this as u and this as v. Okay, so according to the formula, u dash we have to find first. So that is minus 2e cos 2x raised to cos 2x. So minus 2 into d upon dx into e raised to cos of 2x. Right? This is minus 2e cos 2x into minus 2 sine of 2x. And minus 2 sine of 2x is because we're doing chain rule again, guys. So remember, chain rule में क्या है? We have to take the exact portion. So this derivative, then this derivative, this derivative, then this derivative, then this derivative. Okay, that's how chain rule works. So that's why we have first minus 2e raised to cos 2x, and minus 2 is from the constant. Constant matlab this. Remember, e to the x will always stay the same in differentiation. So same way here, and and now we can, and when you take cos 2x, you get minus sine 2x, and the inside portion is going to be 2 for the derivative. So like that. That's it. बहुत simple question है. So now we can do the next portion. So minus 2e cos raised to 2x into minus 2 sine 2x. So then I can write this now like this. So this is now done with u dash. So I can simplify this and write it as positive 4e cos 2x into uh, into sine 2x. And then using our formula, just follow the formula. V is sine 2x, put sine 2x. Then we do v dash. V dash is very easy. It's just again chain rule. So sine 2x, that means cos 2x, and then 2x derivative is 2. So 2 cos 2x. 2 cos 2x into, then we have our u and that u is minus 2e raised to cos 2x. Okay, so now we can simplify this. 4e cos 2x sin square 2x, क्योंकि ये sin 2x का होल स्क्वायर हो गया अभी ना, so we can square it like that. Minus 4e because minus 2 into 2, so minus 4e raised to cos 2x into cos 2x. So now we can test the values from part A to see which are maximum and minimum. So our values from part A was x equals 0, pi upon 2 and pi, right? So let me just assign this as 1, 2, 3. So we can test this. Number 1 में क्या है? We can put 4e cos of 0 sine square 0 minus 4e cos of 0 cos of 0. This is minus 4e e power 1 into 1. This is minus 4e. Let me just write it a little bit smaller. Minus 4e e power 1 into 1 equals minus 4e, which is less than 0. So whenever the second derivative test we have it as less than 0, that means that it's a maxima, and whenever it's greater than 0, it's a minima for the output. After you put the x is equal to 0 into the function or whatever variable you have, that output should be less than 0, then that means maxima, and if it's greater than 0, then it's minima. So you can just kind of think of it as a different case scenario. So I mean, it makes sense to think of it as less than 0 would be minima, but no, it's maxima. So we have to consider it that way. And you can just think of it as ulta, basically, ulta scenario. So minus 4e is less than 0. This means maxima. So next we can put the pi by 2 4e cos 2 into pi by 2 sine square pi. And I'm doing some of this in my head, guys, so if you have any question, then just tell me like in the comment section. uh, this will be equal to, and values you have to memorize it. Okay, so all students, you have to memorize this, and especially for JEE, sub values you have to memorize. Okay, so for like the trigonometric tables and all, I'm sure you have done this before, but if you haven't or just need to brush up on it, then please do. This is a must for JEE, at least, and for IB also it is a must, to be honest. So yeah, do brush up on this. So this will be minus 4e raised to minus 1 into minus 1, which is 4e minus 1, which is 4 upon e. And this is greater than 0, no? This means minima. And for 3, 4e cos 2 pi sine square 2 pi minus 4e cos 2 pi cos 2 pi. And by the way, guys, this is all 0. That's why I didn't like write anything for that, because we have this we have a 0 over there because of the uh, equation. So this is the only portion left, or obviously, right? ये भी 0 है, so We don't consider that portion now. So this is minus 4e raised to 1 into 1 minus 4e, which is less than 0. तो ये भी maxima है. So दो value maxima है, so which is 1 and 3. So that means that then write it as hence 0 and pi are maximus. Well, write it a little better. Well, pi upon 2 is minima. So ये हमारा final answer है. So this is our final answer. And yeah, that's it for part B of question 11. So that's 4 marks. That should be good. Alright, well, see you guys in the next video. We'll do part C and D. Thank you, and please do share and subscribe. And if you have any questions, as usual, comment in the comment section. And yeah, thanks, guys.